Yo, what's up with it, man? It's your boy Glory Customs, and we back at it with another banger. If you came on this video today, you know that I'm gonna give y'all the top 3 tips when you're starting a custom shoe business. Hey, man, I feel like these tips are mandatory, man. If you don't do these tips, I don't know how you're gonna make it in the shoe business, man. So I suggest y'all sit back, relax, and look at these tips and get y'all business good, man. We're gonna go ahead and start with tip number 1. So if you was anything like me, I ain't have no money to go buy no $110 Air Forces just to mess them up. You know what I'm saying? So I customized my mom's shoes. I customized my brother's shoes, my sister's shoes, you know, my homeboys for free. For free, because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing something, you know what I'm saying? You need to build your portfolio up doing your own shoes or your family members, homeboys, homegirls. And if you're in school right now, that's perfect because you got all your friends at school. You can ask them for your shoes, and they're gonna give you their shoes to get customized. Trust me, bro. Trust me. Go ask them. Be like, let me customize you some shoes. Just show me how you want to do them, and practice. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. Tip number 2, do not go out here and buy these high brand paints or any supplies like that. Go to Walmart, get the same supplies everybody else using, but it's gonna be cheaper. Because remember, you don't know if you want to do this. You don't know if you want to be consistent with this. So go to Walmart, get you some acrylic paints. They got airbrush guns there. They got everything you need. And use those supplies, man, and see if you really want to do this. Because it's fun. If you don't have a passion for it, I wouldn't suggest doing it because you're just doing it for a side hustle, you know? And you're not doing it for the passion that you have for it. And that will eat you up in the long run because you got all these orders you got to do and you just, procrastinating because you really don't want to do them. You know you need the money though, but if you had a passion for it, man, you'll be doing it like it ain't nothing. Tip number 3, man. When you start customizing shoes, you need some inspiration. So go look at these shoe designers that's, big and famous all on Instagram and TikTok. See what they doing, copy what they doing, because there's nothing wrong with that. You want to be in the same position they in, you got to do what they do, You got to do the same customs they do. Not the exact same way, obviously, but you got to do something similar to what they doing. Because if people eating up their work, they going to come want to eat up your work. They gonna be like, oh, he can do that too. Oh, she can do that too. Yeah, I'm going to mess with them. Plus, people in your home city, they already know you. They already know you cool. They already know you good for business. Because, to be honest, they don't want to order stuff from those big people They don't want to order stuff from those big people on Instagram, TikTok, because they think they're going to get scammed. But if they know you, and they know you good for business, you know what I'm saying? They got your clientele right there. I still do it to this day. I go search up the hottest custom shoe designers, and I be seeing what they got going on, man, because I want my clientele to stay where they at. I want them to stay with me. I don't want them to go to the biggest custom shoe designer out there. I want them to stay with me, you know what I'm saying? So search up them custom shoe designers that y'all like. The biggest ones, man, like we got Nike Mike. We got a lot of them. I like Nike Mike, so y'all can go check him out. I hope y'all like these tips and tricks I gave y'all, man. If y'all want more, hey, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and I got y'all, man. I want to see everybody succeed and, flourish. But hey, man, these tips, they not just for custom shoe businesses. They for anybody out there trying to, start a business. All rules apply, man. So this your boy Glory Customs. We about to tap out, man. Remember, if y'all want more tips and tricks, comment, and I got y'all. It's your boy Glory Customs, and we out.